Welcome, here I've got Umidigi S3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by sliding up to the menu and now let's pick the camera to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. Let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to the list of other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the slow motion mode. And here we are, now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. We can also tap to this button here and decide how many times we want to slow our video, 3 or 4. As you can see, by just one tap we can change it. Now let me stay for example on 3 and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's start by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this one, and here we get quick access to the gallery. Now we can play our video by tapping on the center. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.